Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After Hershey's competitor Nestle acquired Rowntree's in 1988, it was still required to honor the licensing agreement, and thus Hershey continues to make and market the brands in the U.S. The license would be revoked and revert to Nestle if Hershey were sold.
Let's help you make your mark.
In 1969, only 6 years after the Reese-Hershey merger, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups became the Hershey Company's top seller. The H.B. Reese Candy Company is maintained as a subsidiary of Hershey because the Reese plant workforce is not unionized, unlike the main Hershey plant.
Let's help you make your mark.
The two M's stand for Mars and Murray. After Mars came up with the idea for M&Ms, he approached Bruce Murray, son of Hershey's company president William Murray, about going into business together. Murray received a 20% stake in the company, and for several years M&Ms were made using Hershey's chocolate.
Make your mark, take our lead.
After last year's $7.15 billion cash deal for exclusive rights to sell the U.S. chain's coffees and teas, Nestle will start selling Starbucks-labeled coffee beans, roast and ground coffee and single-serve capsules for its Nespresso and Nescafé Dolce Gusto coffee makers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.